In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an emergency contact for your employees in QuickBooks Online. This is an essential step in ensuring the safety and well-being of your employees, as well as streamlining communication in the event of an emergency. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to start by clicking on the Sign In button on your QuickBooks Online page. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to choose your preferred platform. Go ahead and select QuickBooks Online. Next, it's time to enter your login credentials, your username and password. After typing them in, just click Continue, and you'll be taken inside your QuickBooks dashboard. Remember, it's crucial to have your login details handy to keep this process quick and seamless. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Reports section. This page is like the heart of your QuickBooks, where you get a bird's eye view of all the important data. However, for today's task, you'll be heading over to the Employee section. So from Reports, locate your employee's profile that you wish to update with an emergency contact. Click on it to open the profile details. With the employee profile now open, look for the section dedicated to emergency contacts. You'll notice there is a Start button here. Click on it to begin inputting the necessary information. It's a user-friendly interface designed to manage this data efficiently. Start by entering the first name of the emergency contact. Make sure to double check the spelling for accuracy. This ensures the data is reliable if it ever needs to be accessed in a hurry. After entering the first name, proceed by typing in the last name. As mundane as this might sound, it's crucial to ensure the complete identification of the contact. Now let's move on to specifying the relationship. This can be a family member, a friend, or anyone the employee trusts to be contacted in an emergency. This information can be very helpful for both legal and personal reasons. Next, key in the phone number of the emergency contact. Again, accuracy here is vital. Verify the number so there are no mistakes in reaching out when needed. Similarly, add in the email address if it's available. Having multiple ways to contact this individual can be invaluable, especially in situations where immediate communication is required. Finally, the last step is to save all the information you've entered. Find the Save button and click it. You'll then receive confirmation that the emergency contact details have been successfully updated. Congratulations, you've just added an emergency contact for an employee in QuickBooks Online. This small but significant step is crucial in maintaining a responsive and prepared workplace environment. If you have more employees, simply repeat these steps to ensure every profile is up to date. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your team's safety a top priority.